I worked with Urfi Javed initially for a long time.
But you worked with her?
Yeah, I used to work in the talent management agency
Oh.
that we put the show together. But then of course I had left by that time. But her whole thing was like she had gone on Big Boss with big dreams, and she had spent a lot of money to get on that show to make an impression, and then she got voted out in the first week. So then she was like freaked out, being like, okay, this was my one shot. What do I do? And then just by hook or crook, like her PR was like, let's just do a temperature check. Let's put you out and call PAPS on you. Now, it just so happened that she was wearing something that, in retrospect, is nothing compared to what she wears today in terms of like the outfits and stuff. But it was strange enough. Like it was some kind of cutout sports bra. So when they put that photo or that video up on the internet, it gained a lot of traction. And then she's like, okay, on to something. So PAP videos are taken all the time. But if you are somebody who's not known, then it is a game of you trying to figure out how do I maximize getting eyeballs on this? How can I start a conversation with this? Because at the end of the day, your work will speak for you, and that's the only thing that'll take you anywhere. If there's no work, but there's lots of PAP videos, they're like, okay, the best you can hope for is to come on Big Boss one day. That's what it is.
Yeah, and that kind of backfires, right?
Yeah.
Like people.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about, like, do you Google yourself sometimes?
I do.
Because you come on Insta celebs gossip also.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
On Reddit.
Yeah, on Reddit. And you had, she is the star of this show, Class,
Class. Yeah.
which is a Netflix show.
Yeah.
Which is an adaptation actually, but I like this better than that.
Same.
Spanish?
Yeah, it's a Spanish show.
Spanish show. Elite. Yeah?
It's called Elite.
Elite,
Yeah.
right.
You know,
But-
yeah.
Sorry.
No. Do I Google myself? Yeah, I do. But I made a rule that I don't do it just before bedtime because it makes me very anxious. And yeah, when the show first came out, that was the first time something was happening in my life. So it was like, I had to keep feeding this thing inside me. I was like, what are they saying? What are they saying? What are they saying? And every day I would like wake up and I'd be refreshing my Instagram and refreshing and finding out all the conversation. But that consumes you. And then so then I was like, okay, abhi ye ho raha hai na, let me do it. Let me feed into it, get it out of my system, and then I can live my life. Like I hate that whole thing of like, you know, if you're cheating on your diet and you're feeling bad, then just don't fucking do it. You know, if you're cheating on your diet, just cheat on it, feel good about it, and then go back to what you have to do. So I was like, get it out of my system. But yeah.
But such a good show, dude. Have you all watched it?
I watched it, man.
Yeah.
I love the director actually.
Yeah, I love
he's
the director.
Like an indie. I don't know if he's indie. Is he? Indie?
He's an indie commercial
Kind of
legend.
guy. but he made-
Oshim is
Yeah.
Oshim
Aluwalia.
Oshim Aluwalia.
Miss Lovely.
Miss Lovely.
Miss Lovely.
John and Jane.
And the show is like, you know, first of all, I like that it's called Class because in India, class means class, but also class and class. and all that.
Yeah.
But also, it is what poor people think rich people are like. Like the whole show is probably the worst worst imagination of whatever. But I love the show, man. It was.
I
so-
loved it too.
Even I really liked it.
I
really liked
wish that it had come out a little like a few years ago when OTT was really having a boom and you know shows like Made in Heaven and Sacred Games did so well.
Yeah.
I think it just came out right after the pandemic, after like a viewership fatigue.
Correct.
That while it was trending all over the world and it did some insane numbers, it was second after Rana Naidu. So,
Oh.
but unfortunately, like fatigue hit hard.